I mean, this is just the power. And this is how the corporate staff was as well when we would talk to them. They're like, oh my gosh, the study. Oh my gosh, the study. And the corporate staff is incredible. We talk to them on a weekly basis, and they are our corporate staff, right? They make sure that you all here get your products on time and are doing all the right things and this and that. But usually we're the ones that are like, oh my gosh, there was this story, and oh my gosh, there was that story. And then when you have the corporate staff saying, the study, the study, the study, you guys are going to freak. And then they would say, and I know many of these doctors here as well, they would say, do not let anybody ever get off of Protandim and collagen. They just kept saying, they're like, I can't tell you all the things, just don't let anybody ever get off. I can't tell you the details, just don't let anybody get off. Get more people on, share the story. And this is why we had such massive growth, right? When this product was first launched, we were so excited. We didn't know what was going to happen. And then suddenly people were starting to use it. And then they would start using it. And then people start sharing, oh my gosh, this is happening. Oh my gosh, that's happening, because it works. Again, it's not hype. This product works. So I love what you said, Dr. Melody, about pictures. And so for those of you that are not on the product yet, and even those that you are, take pictures, continue to take tons and tons of pictures before, like the front of your face, the side of your face, the other side of your face, smiling really big, your eyelashes, your hair, your jawline, your chest, your arms, your stomach, your legs, your heels of your feet. If you have cellulite, yes, who here has had cellulite improvements and tightening of skin? Some people like the sides of their hips and their booties, sorry, but for real, it's a big deal. If you have stretch marks, if you had your varicose veins, if you have, different skin issues of any sort, brightening, I'm telling you, take pictures of everything, because you cannot go backwards. And you're going to be like, oh, shoot, I wish that I would have. So thank you so much, Dr. Melody. That was such an incredible Christmas gift that you just gave all of us.